Calcutta was a really good time, a really good experience, and a lot of family bonding, etc. But the cases started increasing. So the cases started increasing, so we decided to cut the trip short and come back. So that is what happened, and I came back to Raipur, and Rishabh is in Calcutta, and yep. This is how you start the new year. It's 2nd of January. I'm back home. Day 2 of isolation. मेरी COVID report कल negative आ गई है. And ignore this mess. This is just me randomly sitting and sleeping throughout the day. This is blocked. This is gone. I can feel the aches. You can see the steamer and the hot water kettle. Blah blah blah. But yeah, that's about it for today that I have to say. That is all that I have to say actually. Hello, today is day 3 of isolation. I'm feeling a little better, but my nose is still blocked. So the sleep is not coming properly because your nose is blocked. But I'm looking at the room right now and it's such a mess. Such a mess because सब चीज़ें ही होनी है, right? कपड़ों से लेकर हर चीज़ सब चीज़ें ही होनी है. So it's such a mess. And so I thought today I'll clean up a little so that I feel better, at least about the room. So that's what I'm doing. Let's go. Hello. Okay, it's the same day. मैं बस नहा के आई. I feel so good and so nice. Whatever I do in isolation, office की तो छुट्टी हुई हुई है. Because like why not? Again, saying मेरी COVID report negative है, but I have a few symptoms. इसीलिए मैं isolate कर रही हूँ खुद को. But हाँ, ऑफिस की छुट्टी है because कोल्ड की मेडिसिन लो तो नींद आती है. And I've just been watching series जितनी मैं देख सकती हूँ. So I finished Emily in Paris. Then I watched Atrangi Re. Emily in Paris. Okay. Like okay, ठीक है. बहुत amazing नहीं है इस बार का एपिसोड सीजन. अतरंगी रे पहले मुझे लगा जब भी मेट की कॉपी है, कुछ जब भी मेट के पार्ट्स है, कुछ है. वन टाइम वॉच, वो भी अगर आप बहुत बड़े अक्षय कुमार या धनुष फैन हो. सारा अली खान की एक्टिंग तो ओके. एंड राइट नाउ वॉचिंग सेलिंग सनसेट. सो फर्स्ट सीजन मैंने इसका कंप्लीट कर लिया है. एंड नाउ हैव गॉट अडिक्टेड टू हाउ दे टॉक लाइक oh my god, so beautiful.
Wow. The house that she liked. Wait, from where? When and out. Look, that is so cute. Is that one vegan? Is it Botox anytime, or
I don't
is it
know.
like?
Let's find out.
So let's see how that pans out, and I'll see you tomorrow. And today is 5th of January. This is my day 4 in quarantine, in isolation. And I've started my office today, feeling a little better. So I've started my office and eating breakfast, which is bread. And let's go and do work today.
A few moments later.
आज़ादी. आज ही निकल गई मैं बाहर. अब पर अब रूम को थोड़ा सा ठीक करना पड़ेगा, सैनिटाइज करना पड़ेगा और फिर रूम से बाहर जाना पड़ेगा. सारे कपड़े डालने पड़ेंगे. let's get the sanitizing. I have my sanitizer right here. Let's get to it. Before we say a final goodbye, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना लाइट में बैठ के. You have no idea. Back in my balcony, feels so good. I have a few boxes. Took it open. So that's our first idea. First thing to do. What I have is from Flipkart. So this is basically from office. Year-end gifts. Sorry for the noise. Oh, nice. This is like a duffel bag from Wildcraft. I like it. It's cute. ये भूल गई मैं कि हल्ला कितना ज़्यादा होता है. The next one also is from office. वो जस्ट FYI अगर आप लोग फिगर आउट कर रहे हो, नहीं कर रहे हो तो बहुत बढ़िया है, बट अगर आप फिगर आउट कर रहे हो तो मेरा टेस्ट ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव था. आई वॉज जस्ट इन अ प्रिकॉशनरी isolation. But yeah. Okay, this is a water bottle. This is the Speedex Speed for Change blue color water bottle. Okay, I like it. I really like it. Cool electric blue color है. जैसे साइकिलिंग में जाते हैं ना वैसी वाली बॉटल लग रही है. But I like what I see. And the last one is this. This is from Verified. I had reordered some lipsticks because I wanted to gift it to someone. तो मैंने reorder करी थी. I think उनका भी कुछ offer pack चल रहा था, उसमें मैंने reorder करी थी. But you can always like look at my reviews completely and see. I love the lipstick. This is how it comes. ऐसे I like कि कुछ भी प्लास्टिक का ना यूज़ नहीं है. And I love the way they are in bullet. The shades that I reordered was Goop and WWW. The swatches and everything are already up on my channel, so you can watch that. Yep, that is it for today's video. Random pointless isolation vlog. Noise. But I know you folks love vlogs. So in case you liked it, please give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. And let's hit 2000 really soon. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.